Hey everybody, this week on Simple to Automate, we are going to talk about building strong habits. More specifically, we want to focus in on our online marketing habits. This one hits close to home because I've definitely been guilty of neglecting my own efforts, and I can tell when I review my results over the past year. The thing is with me, I've had a full-time job and a salary for a long time now, so it definitely influences the way I ignore the mediocre results that I get. Right? I have a full-time, I have a well-paying job. Why worry about some side income here and there? But what if I really did need to count on my side hustle income? Right? Like, why don't I make the effort towards building strong online marketing habits like I really do need the money? Because I do. My family could definitely use the extra income. So, I've jumped right in, and in doing so, my wife and I put together a fun ebook that summarizes the life-changing habits of the greatest entrepreneurs. We did this because we thought it would be nice to have something to fall back on for reference and inspiration. And it's nice to have. So if you'd like a copy of your own, click the link below and we'll share it with you. And after checking out the book, please let us know what you think in the comments section. That's all for now. Thanks for tuning in. And one more thing, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you'd like, join our email list too. Thanks for tuning in. Take care.